Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make chakli, that is murku, at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I added 3 cups of rice flour, that is chawal ka atta, and 1 cup of moong dal flour. So for that you have to fry the moong dal and you have to blend it in the mixer, and I added that powder. So for 3 cups of rice flour you have to add 1 cup of moong dal powder, and we added some salt, that is up to your taste, and I'm going to add some cumin seeds. It gives a nice flavor in this recipe, and some chili powder, and some butter. So we have to add 50 grams of butter, and we are melting the butter in this pan, and we have to make the smooth dough. Then we have to fry it in the oil with the help of the machine. Hey guys, we have to use this machine for this recipe. Yeah, and we have to add some melting butter. So we added 50 grams of butter, and I will make the dough of this one by adding little bit of water. First with Hey guys, the dough is ready and it's time to make the murku. So we have to fry this chakli until it becomes brown and crisp. So yeah. Hey guys, this recipe is from my mother-in-law. So she gave this recipe and we are trying this chakli at our home. So yeah. So this should be the color, guys. It's very crispy. So I'm going to make more. So I will show you once how to make perfect chakli in a round shape. Okay guys, we are making more chakli. So yeah, and you can store this one in the airtight container box for 1 month, guys. So this recipe is the best, and in South India we call it as murku. So the recipe is the same. So yeah. So you have to remove in this color, and remember, cook this one in a medium flame, not in a high flame, otherwise this will be very hard. So I'm going to make more. but this is a quick video of how to make chakli, that is murku, in South India at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video, and I'm going to store in this steel container box. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make murku at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye.